Welcome to our guide on off-grid solar power systems. This is an eco-friendly, cost-effective, and sustainable way to generate electricity, especially in remote and rural areas. Here, we'll provide a comprehensive look at how these systems work, their components, and the benefits they offer. Off-grid solar systems consist of several key components. First, there are the solar panels, which convert sunlight into electricity. Then, there's the solar inverter, which converts the generated direct current into alternating current. We also have a battery bank for storing surplus energy, and a charge controller to manage the charging and discharging of these batteries. Let's delve a bit into how off-grid solar power systems work. Solar panels absorb sunlight and convert it into direct current. This electricity is then converted into alternating current by the solar inverter, which is usable in your home. Any excess power is stored in batteries for later use. When the panels aren't producing enough electricity, for instance at night, the stored power from the batteries is used. Opting for an off-grid solar power system comes with numerous benefits. Firstly, it's a very environmentally friendly option, reducing your carbon footprint by relying mainly on renewable energy. It offers you complete energy independence, freeing you from reliance on utility companies and their fluctuating rates. And importantly, these systems can provide power to remote areas where electricity grids don't reach. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the basics of an off-grid solar power system. We hope that this video has helped shed some light on this incredible technology, and perhaps even inspired you to consider solar energy for your own power needs.